Quick review how to graph y equals the square root of x by hand quickly. This is part of the Family of Functions series. You will need graph paper or download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during this video. Graph y equals the square root of x with the radical dance. We'll start with the initial point at the origin, 0, 0, because the square root of 0 is 0. From that point, write 1 up 1 because the square root of 1 is 1. Write 4 up 2 because the square root of 4 is 2. And write 9 up 3 because the square root of 9 is 3. Connect the points. And there's our half of a parabola going sideways.